Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make very smooth slow motion effect in Capcut PC. This is not going to take your time. It's super fast, super easy. You just need a very simple trick. Okay, so this is the video I brought into my timeline. Let me play it for you. Okay, so this is it. You can see it's fast and it's moving. It's about 5 seconds, so I'll just take it to the beginning of the frame again. So now what we're going to do is to click on this video clip. You come over to this panel where you see video, audio, you click on speed. Alright, you click on speed and you're just going to reduce this speed. As you can see, you just reduce it. If you want it 50% slower, you click on it like that. So as you can see, we've increased the length from 5 seconds, which we had it before, as I said in the beginning, to 10 seconds. Okay, it was 5 seconds when it was here, right? And if you notice, when it was 5 seconds, we didn't have this slow motion part. I'm going to show you how to do that, because we need it to make this slow motion really smooth. So now let's put that about in the middle. 10 seconds. Okay, we can make it slower than 10 seconds, but then you want to click on smooth slow me. All right, so we click on smooth slow me and it's going to give you, as you can see, it's processing. It's going to give you frame blending, so it's going to be super smooth. It's not going to look computerized at all, and you're going to see how easy it is to do this inside Capcut. Super easy, not complicated. I'm going to pause, get back and show you what the end result looks like. Okay, we are back. As you can see, slow-mo applied. And now if we go and click from the beginning, you see it's frame blending. You can do optical, longer time, better quality. That's what I usually want to have it at, longer time, better quality. So it's going to process it again and give you a better quality. You always want to have it at better quality. Trust me, that is the best way to go. All right, so if we play this, for instance, this is what we get now. You can see it's super slow and it's giving that very good slow-mo. All right, well, I was always ensure you have it at optical flow. This one is generic, that's AI. It's AI process, but this is AI but a better version. If you like process, it's going to go in, process it and give you a better version of it. Trust me, and it's going to be easier. As you can see, it's processing. I'm going to pause again and let it do its thing. I'll come back and you see the difference between the two. So let's pause it. So we are back and we've been able to apply the optical flow, and now I'll play it for you and you're going to see how it looks with optical flow. So let's play it. As you can see, with optical flow, it's moving very smooth. You can see even the little object that passed through the screen, we saw it move. Okay, let's move it a bit. Okay, so yeah, if you notice, just watch around here, you can see this object. We didn't notice it in the last clip, but see what happened. Let me play it from here, and you see it blow past the screen. That's how cool this optical slow is, and this is how to do slow-mo effect in Capcut PC. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.